everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a super cool guest today.
Hello everyone, my name is Chan.
What are we going to be doing today?
불닭 challenges. Oh my gosh.
So the first person who needs to take a sip of drink loses.
The loser have to drink the half of a cup of tomato juice.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Where you pour mine, I pour yours.
아, 오케이. 안 뜯어줘.
띵띵띵. 어? 어? 한국어는 너무 어려워. Oh, I got on my fingers.
You're bleeding.
2 hours later, I need to wash my
2
hands.
hours later.
Why are we doing this? 아이고.
Smells so hot. And Tony's one.
Oh. ASMR. 맛있게 먹어.
I'm not ready.
I'm not ready either.
Yes, good luck.
Okay, go. I don't think you put enough spice in it, actually.
Yeah, it's not spicy. Sure.
Yeah. Story time. He is a really good rapper at Noodle. What song was it?
Love the way you lie.
Love the way you lie. I can't tell you what it feels.
Yes, I can only tell you what it feels.
Mmm.
Are you crying?
No. Hey, don't stop eating. He's
Okay,
cheating.
okay.
He's
Okay,
cheating.
okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Ah. Okay, I felt it here. Now I feel it here in my chest. Okay.
Okay, me too.
Go. Everything's fine.
Not today.
Not today. I'm not ready.
Is that true? Yes.
Ah. My nose is running now. Oh shoot. Oh my god, you're sweating.
Is that true?
Yes. Y'all, my lips hurt really bad. Oh
You can drink it. Is it my tear or my sweat? I don't know.
Maybe both. Oh, I just coughed and it went in my nose.
Oh, look at that. It's so delicious.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Ah.
You can give her any sign.
No. I'm okay. I am okay. Oh. 미안해.
미안해. Rest time.
You can't eat mine.
No. I'm done.
So I finished the challenge.
What? Wow.
Yay! We'll be back after we are done dying.
안 괜찮아?
안 되잖아. Oh wait. Oh!
Frozen jelly.
Frozen jelly. I forgot. It looks so gross.
Wow.
It looks so thick and gross.
Oh, it's not good.
Don't go easy.
Okay.
Go hard.
Go
Oh
hard.
shit.
Hey. 따끔.
Just do it. I go. Now I drink. Okay. Ah. Sweet. Ah. Okay. Anyways, now see you next time. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye.